If you color your hair, it's inevitable you'll see roots. Whether you're new to at-home hair color or have been coloring for years, follow this simple root touch-up technique to look and feel great every day. We're using Nice and Easy Root Touch Up, the leading permanent root touch-up for 100% gray coverage. Before you start, complete your patch test, wear the gloves, mix the product, and review the instructions in the box. We'll show you how to color with this unique multi-angle video. Your hair should be styled as you normally wear it. Starting with the part line, use the brush to apply the product to the uncolored roots. You want to use a generous amount as you apply. Try to stay on the uncolored roots. Apply to one side and then the other side of the part line. Root touch-up is very forgiving, so no worries if your application isn't perfect. It will still come out fine. After the part line, focus on the hairline and temples. You want to do the most obvious roots first. Using the opposite side of the brush, start making half-inch parts on one side of the part line and apply. If you hold the handle in the middle, you can turn the brush either way and not have to settle it down. Now switch to the other side of the part line. Continue to make half-inch parts and apply. Finish by applying a little extra to the hairline and part. Process for 10 minutes. 5 minutes more for resistant grays. When time is up, rinse and condition as needed.